I'm Rebecca. I am an educator here at Hunt's Photo and Video in Melrose. I am also a full-time wedding photographer. I spend a lot of time in Lightroom, so I've got some tricks up my sleeve for you guys. Today specifically, we are going to be talking about presets in Lightroom, why we want to make a preset, how we can make a preset, and a couple other little tricks I have for you. So right now I'm in my library module. I'm gonna hop over to my develop module because that is where we make our edits. Presets are really great to help create consistency within your photography. So that way your images are looking like your work every single time. So to do that, we can create a preset. And what a preset does is it will copy the adjustments you've made in your develop module here and paste them into a preset so that you can easily apply those settings to every single image. Again, creating a consistent workflow, but also expediting your workflow as well. So how do I create a preset? I'm gonna come over to my preset panel on the left of my screen here, and I'm gonna hit this little plus sign and click create preset. So you can name your preset. I'm just gonna call mine new preset because I'm not feeling very creative this morning. It's all right. And you can assign your presets to a group. You'll notice that I have one base, two tools. That is a workflow that I've developed for myself over time. You'll find that you develop your own workflow as you get more familiar with Lightroom. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here are these little boxes here. Every single box is checked off right here. There are 3 boxes we want to uncheck. And that's because we want to create a preset that is versatile across different images. So I want my preset to be applicable for an image that I shot outdoors, an image I shot indoors. So I'm going to uncheck white balance because that is something that changes consistently and regularly. I'm also going to uncheck exposure, and I'm going to uncheck transform for the same reasons. And that's it, that's all I have to do. So if I want to include contrast, highlights, whites, shadows, blacks, all of that, keep that checked, keep my tone curve checked, HSL, color grading, detail, lens corrections are something that I do include in my presets, but it's up to you if you want to include that. I also include effects and calibration. Once you're done and you have everything included in your preset that you want, you're just gonna come over here, click create, and there it is in your preset panel. And you can apply that to any image that you would like. There's something really cool that we can do with presets. All right, so we're gonna hop back over to the library module, and I'm going to apply some presets to a new import. So I'm going to pay attention to apply during import here on the right side of my screen. And I'm simply gonna hit develop settings, come down to my presets. I'm gonna select that new preset that I just made. And what this is gonna do is this is going to apply my preset to every single image that I import into Lightroom, which is going to, again, expedite my workflow. And there it goes. I am now importing these images into my Lightroom catalog while simultaneously adding my preset to them. It does take a few minutes for Lightroom to perform this task, but let your computer do its thing for a little bit. But you'll see that when I hop over to my develop module that my photos are edited. And all I need to do is make a couple little tweaks, simple adjustments to make this preset applicable for this specific photo, whether that's changing my exposure, changing my white balance, or making some small adjustments to my tone, my presence, or any other one of my modules here in the develop module. And that's it. That is how we create consistency in our photography and how we can expedite and work efficiently within Lightroom Classic. Thanks, guys. Okay. All right. Hi, I'm Rebecca. Nope. I spent a lot of time in Lightroom. I know a thing or two by now. I don't. Nope. Keep the other intro. That was bad. Consistent workflow. I am gonna say that differently. Sorry.